Today we have a G monogram refrigerator, and issue with that light's not working. As you see from the inside of the refrigerator, there is a panel that is light up on the right, and on the left there is dark panel. It could be as simple as a light bulb is not working. It's one thing, and a second thing, on top of that refrigerator we have LED lights. Those LED lights not working. So we're gonna do diagnostics and we're gonna do repair today. As you can see, the LED lights are not running, even the switches open. Even if you check the switches, nothing wrong with the switches. This LED lights work from the transformers. They power from the transformers. So we're gonna check transformers and find out if transformer is faulty. We pulled out a transformer panel or enclosure or housing from underneath of the refrigerator of G monogram, and checked all the fuses that may be responsible for lightning, and just check out the fuses. All the fuses are working properly. Then we checked the transformer, and this transformer turned out to be faulty. So we're going to be replacing this transformer for that LED lights in this unit. We're going to check the fuses. Right now we have a 0 at 4, it's nothing. As soon as we open the door, the light switch is going to be engaged, and you see 120 volts through the fuse. So 120 volts through the fuse once the door is open. Once the door is closed, the circuit is closed. So it is open. Basically, that fuse is working properly. I'm gonna check second fuse. Open the door on the freezer. We have 120 volts. The fuse is good. So the fuse is passing current from this wire through the fuse to this wire. Right now the door is closed, no current coming through. Once we open the door, the current is coming 120 volts. So this fuse is good as well. This is a new transformer. The old transformer did not work properly, and there's a power in. The primary voltage, secondary voltage. So when we check that windings on the primary voltage, we have continuity. On the old transformer, when we check that continuity on the secondary voltage, we had 0 open line. But now if we check, on this new transformer, we have continuity. This transformer is good. As you saw at the beginning of this video, when we opened this fresh food section door, the lights, LED lights, were not working, and that's why customer called us to resolve this issue. We checked all the switches, we checked all the fuses, and we checked the transformer for LED lights. We found that the transformer was bad. So today we replaced the transformer, which is there, and now that we have a new transformer, we're opening this door, and you can see the LED lights are on. The issue is fixed. Now we have to put everything nicely underneath of the refrigerator, and we'll start working on replacing the light bulb on one of the lighting panels, as well in the fresh food section. So as you see from the video, we replaced one light bulb, and it's on. So we need to replace another light bulb, and it's going to be working. These halogen lights have a bimetal inline, making sure that when they get too hot, that bimetal disconnects the power to the light bulbs. We will check the bimetal by the continuity. We have continuity, bimetal is good. So we're going to replace the light bulb. I'm trying to attach to the leads so we won't have troubles later. Just to make sure that you have no finger oil or oil from the fingers, from the hands on the rings, so it won't burn fast. Refix G monogram, all the lights working, LED working, and halogen lights are working. Customer happy.